Belize. Today we are here with Jasson Guy. So hello everybody out
Hello,
here in the
from
States,
Belize.
in Central America, and he is a gem here. He's doing wonderful work with the youth here, and he's building some stuff that's fantastic. If I hadn't seen the pictures of it, I had no idea his work was so stunning. So Jasson, can you tell us a little bit about the work you're doing and how you got started?
Well, carpentry was a hobby of mine, and there was a point in my life when I wasn't sure what I wanted, and I decided one day to start, playing with it, but to invite youths to come over and also enjoy, maybe learn, grow, experience different things, share ideas. And since then, it has grown from where we started. We started with just one saw, one simple handsaw.
One handsaw.
Handsaw.
Wow, wow. So where did you learn the trade of carpentry?
At the age of 20, when I was in the US, my first job was in a carpentry shop.
Oh, in the United States.
Building cabinets. But in the beginning, I didn't like it. Building cabinets, I did it for a year and I said I'm never going to do it again.
Well, what didn't you like about it?
Well, I guess when you make cabinets, you don't really get to expect it. You're building what somebody wants, it's just all boxes. But then doing it this way, I get to use, as you can see, all sorts of wood, and I get to be creative and do the things I want. I get joy.
But the building of the cabinets though gave you the skill.
Gave me the skills and the concept of how to put things together.
Wow, wow. So we're going to be really excited to see some of the things. And Jasson is also doing a lot with things that are scraps that people would throw away. So let's get this. You have this solarized mill here that is taking things that people are tossing away and reusing it. And he's also transferring that very valuable skill over to you. So let's take a look and see what Jasson is doing. All right, Jasson, so what do you have here?
What we have here is some scrap wood, and a big part of this wood is for making, eco-friendly stuff, but also using this source of wood to teach you if there's any errors, then it's not costing me. It's a free source of labor.
So you can just find these scraps of wood?
Pretty much anywhere. Well, especially at the sawmills, other carpentry shops, there's a lot of people who have a lot of waste material, and most people just burn it.
Wow. So this is a whole resource here.
Yeah, there's several things that can come from this, coasters, baskets, unique countertops,
wow,
curtain rods, so many things. Toilet paper holder, napkin holders.
Wow.
A variety of things can come from this.
And you said that you originally started with one saw.
One saw and drill.
Wow.
Pretty much, and from there I just got into this shop we now have here.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting all of this. I didn't think it would get to this point. I didn't think a lot of youth were going to be interested in learning. In the beginning, I thought it would just maybe be one or two. But since then, over a 5-year period, I think over 120 youths.
Wow. And you didn't have no funding or nothing?
No
this
funding,
is just
anything.
You.
It was just something.
Wow. Wow. That's fantastic. So let's take a look at, show me around.
It was a God-given gift, I guess.
Wow. And you're using it.
Then this is the shop, inside the shop. This right here was where we first started. Right here I had a table. It was actually this table right here. This table was the first table, so what I had was a blade coming up from this. And this table right here, where we started, this was situated in that area. And from this, it just started.
So this is the original table?
Original table saw. This was the original table saw right here.
Wow.
And doing it consistently, we began, achieving stuff, making stuff. People began buying our products. And as that happened, we invested in smaller tools and got more tools. And this was the shop before. All the tools were in here. But now I decided to take it outside to extend the shop and just use this as an assembly room.
Wow.
Like a classroom to assemble stuff and create other ideas and stuff like that. And doing this, we can host more youths. We can train more youths through this program. Yeah.
Wow, that's fantastic.
We've been experimenting with these sorts of wood, like the source of lumber, the setup, everything. It's all from the sawmill. A lot of it is what they threw away. They don't use. It's mostly
Well, they
scrap.
say one man's junk is another man's treasure, right?
Amen.
That is really fantastic. What is that beautiful piece? Is that what I saw online, the laundry basket?
This is a laundry basket right here.
Wow, but it's done so well. It looks like, what they would sell in the States, very high end.
Yeah, as you can see, this is made from a lot of scrap materials. A lot of small pieces, the thin strips. Sometimes when you have cut off, you end up with a lot of thin pieces. Like this. And we incorporate them maybe here, maybe on the inside. And then whatever odd pieces we have left, like I use, then what we do is strip it more to get these pieces right here.
Wow. I think I might need one of these for my compost.
Yeah, man.
You know, open. Don't think I need it open, like this size, but so the compost can stack one on top of each other. You have a good hand for plants too.
Yeah.
Wow, that's fantastic.
Things already here. I have something I've been working on for a while. Sitting here for a while. Let me get it. This is like my lap. It's a top. It's an idea. Sorry, it's a top. It's an idea for maybe bar stool stuff like that.
So like a bar stool?
Yeah, like a top, the seat, even a countertop. It could be. It's a wood laminating process.
Wow.
And this can be done up to 15, 20 foot. We've practiced it in various ways.
Wow.
The piece right there is similar, except that's bigger pieces.
This here.
This is the same idea. It's a wood lamination. Putting small pieces together and then it becomes bigger. There's a seam here. There's a seam here. There's a seam here. And laminating the wood, then we could create tops. Stable, different things like that, using that concept.
I've seen some of your stuff is online. It's like fantastic. Yeah, this is beautiful. So you said it's a wood laminating process here.
So we're taking these pieces right here, and we just stick them together like this, and we break these, and it extends more and more, and as it ties together, there's like a finger glue on it that holds it together, that supports it. It's an engineering system. It's been practiced all around the world in various countries already. It's something, I believe it's something that can be resourceful here in Belize. It's an opportunity to do more with our source of lumber rather than just buying a prime lumber to make furniture and getting rid of the scraps. This itself can become an industry in itself. Create jobs and training programs and school programs. There's a lot that can be derived from this.
Wow. Well, you're already a visionary. You're already doing it. You're not even waiting for anybody. You're already doing it.
No.
That is so phenomenal.
And this is here in abundance in Belize. I mean, it's amazing the amount of wood that gets burnt on an annual basis. Tons and tons and tons of wood that could eventually become an industry in Belize or enhance the industry in Belize. And by doing this too, we're also practicing sustainable forestry. We're reusing whatever we can, we use whatever we can, even if it has like knots or cracks in it, then this itself has its own market. There's people who love
the character of it is beautiful.
On the other side, we have some tables and chairs which we try to use it to incorporate this in our designs.
Can we see some of those?
Of course. That itself is another market.
Okay. Let's see. Follow Jason and see he's got some more stuff in here.
Yeah, we have different stuff. Well, this is that stuff, but this is
wow. You made all of this stuff?
Yeah, through a manufacturing system.
Wow. This is beautiful work. It's really beautiful to see stuff that's not just coming from a factory.
Yeah.
This is great. And you have youth working. Oh, look at that table. It's fantastic.
Coffee table.
Wow. This is really beautiful. I need something like this to put my coconut grinder on.
Alright.
A little table for like the little corner in my space. Wow, this is really phenomenal, Jason.
So like the chairs here, this is normally what we would do like with a prime lumber, but even so, we try to use a second or third grade lumber to create these products. And all these chairs here is done through a manufacturing system, something we've been practicing. We're trying to enhance that method right there. And this is what we want to go into a manufacturing company. This helps us to create more sustainable jobs by doing it this way. When we focus mostly on customized work, then we can only hire skilled carpenters. But by doing this, this opens up door for women, men, youths, people with little skills, but with some training, I mean, it's all possible. It's just maybe use a specific tool, a circular saw, a table saw, a drill, sanding, staining, finishing. So you don't have to be a skilled carpenter to be.
So you said this opens up.
Yeah,
this opens up to, you said men, women,
Women
Mhm.
and
Youth? Wow.
by
That's
doing
cool.
it this way. And then it involves a group of people.
Mm.
Some people will be processing the feet, some process this part, and then another person may be doing the drilling for where it's going to be fastened, and then another person with sanding, staining. So then there's different areas here where people can find a space to work. So this right here, what you see, this is the manufacturing thing, and then we also have other stuff we make from the scrap. For example, this right here, this is all scrap lumber,
Wow.
100% free lumber.
Wow.
On a normal day, this would be firewood.
Wow. Well, I need some of that firewood for my food prep area.
Definitely be firewood. And that's how we started. We started using this source of lumber, and through this we developed our techniques to make it work. And we use this as that program for you. This is where we started. This is actually like 4 years old.
Wow.
This is
And
with the
it's
first of the
quality.
few. This is what they did. As you can see, there's a lot of holes in it. But that we were
I think it
practicing.
adds character. I like it.
We were practicing. That's when we.
I think people will also be glad to support youth. You know, that are making something that gives them a pride about what they're doing.
If you look at these right here, we also make freshly squeezed orange juice, 100% natural.
Are you all selling them?
Yeah, 100% natural.
Wow, that's beautiful.
This right here is some unique cutting boards made from our scrap lumber that was left behind, and we've been practicing.
Wow.
Countertops, butcher block tops, unique tops using these.
Making oranges. I love it. Very, very creative. And it's thinking. Wow, that's
Trying to make
phenomenal.
things happen in Belize.
No, that's not trying. There's a difference between trying and doing. Doing, when you do, even if you're doing perfect, you make some progress. There's a difference between trying and doing. Y'all really doing it.
So then
That's
I want to bring you on
phenomenal.
the other side
Okay.
to show you the.
Okay.
Alright.
I would love to see.
I have a,
Whatever you got, we want to see it all.
Dealing with my customer first.
Okay. So Jason, you were telling us and sharing about the youth that you're working with, the 2 programs that you have.
Yeah, well, we have several programs to try to create. There's one for youth that attend high school. So then we do a summer program for them. During the summertime when they're off, then those are the youths we try to focus on helping through the program. And after these youths go back to high school, then we pick up the at-risk youth, the one not attending high school, the one who didn't finish high school, the one who needs to learn a trade in order to survive in today's world, especially here in Belize.
Wow.
So now, since those youth from high school, since school has been reopened this week, then the program, we're going to take on a different set of youth this time. The at-risk youth. 17,
So a lot of those
18.
youth will use the program to help pay for their school uniforms, you were
School
saying?
uniform and books and
The
stuff
books.
like that. They assist their parents. A lot of these youths are fatherless youths. The
Wow.
majority of them are raised by single mothers.
Wow.
Mothers who have to work and minimum wage jobs and cleaning, cooking. Even some parents, I mean, most of us Belizean, our parents didn't go to high school.
Wow.
Or our grandparents probably didn't even learn how to read.
Well, a lot of those folks coming from generation that used to work on a farm.
So, yeah. They came as humble people, and then our parents were born here, and they probably just went maybe to primary school.
Wow.
And then some people are fortunate that their parents sent them through high school. Others didn't make it.
Wow. That's really phenomenal. So what's your inspiration?
My inspiration. Well, when I was young, I mean, I was a troubled youth myself, and something, that's what I didn't have. I didn't have anyone reaching out to me in a positive way. I mean, I had a lot of older friends and stuff, but what they gave me, what they taught me wasn't what I needed in life. And for that reason, it took me a longer period to, be more responsible. Even now at this age, I'm still irresponsible.
Responsible.
Passing it on and...
So
I
get
don't know.
that, everybody's talking about the conscious community. I think we need to switch that in the states from consciousness to responsibility.
Really?
Yeah, to focus on responsibility. That's phenomenal, Jason. So I can't wait. If you're interested in contacting Jason, how can people get in contact with you?
I have a Facebook page, Jasson Guy, and then, no, that's my profile. And
So
then,
Jasson Guy,
Guy.
G-U-Y.
G-U-Y.
And that's here in Belize in Central America.
Then I have a Facebook page, the Art, Furniture, and Designs, and also another page, Built Design and Construction. That's more focusing on houses, greenhouses, eco-friendly houses.
Wow. And
then-
email. Yeah, what's your email address?
My email address is jas13guy@yahoo.com.
Right. So
And one more page, which is Community Togetherness, which focuses on youths and we plant and it's in all 3 pages are together. They
okay,
work together.
they're all connected. Yeah, so please support Jasson. We would love to really support all the wonderful work he's doing with youth, and his furniture and his planting is absolutely stunning. So I'm going to make sure I include some of that footage here in the video. This is Body-Culinary. See you.
No, we have one more surprise for you, and that's
One
the
more
other
surprise?
room.
Oh, please. Let's see. We're excited. You said the best for last?
Excuse the mess. Where I reside in a way.
I don't know how good the lighting is. So let me see if I can come over here. Let me say, oh wow. Wow, of course you made this beautiful rocking chair.
Yes, I did.
Stunning. Wow. I think I recognize this in one of your shots. Wow. This
Go
is
ahead and-
stunning.
Look at mine.
So this is something beautiful. Furniture. Work is really stunning and beautiful.
That way I look, and that way you're getting in trouble with something. Right now I want to know, the more the strength thing I said it. I really want to know. Can I tell you the key to how to come down? See the source of what we use? We make different things. We both make plants, candle holders, soap, the thing who holds soap and things like that. I don't try to really use it, then I didn't have to teeth.
Yeah.
You just have to have faith, be brave, make something and go try to sell it as an idea. That's not a life. I mean, you have to create something, you have to create some form of money to survive in an honest way. And sometimes it's not easy, sometimes
Yeah, I call it honorable economics. As a mother, I always encourage my son to generate and create honorable economics, but you need a skill. And the beautiful thing is with the technology you can use online where you can sell things to a market, that's outside, and they can pay for shipping. Hey, Jasson, I see you eating a banana. Let me find out you eat healthy.
Yeah, man.
Let me find out you have a focus on eating healthy. That's even more
have to.
phenomenal. So you have the proper fuel. Wow, the soap holders and things like that, candle holders.
Yeah. So what we have here now is another thing, another area in the woodworking. So this is the real eco-friendly stuff, the stuff with character, the way it was designed by our creator. Everything here.
The lighting, yeah. Did you point that out?
Yeah.
The character there.
As you can see. And some of these woods themselves, what I do is I want to get them, maybe they are not this decayed or what you call it, like, it's not, the character maybe sometimes like this is not as much as I want, so what I do, I put them in wet grass and I leave them there for maybe 6 months.
So you get more. Of
More,
this
so then
character.
insects come in and they make nests and they eat some of it more, and within 6 months, it's kind of like wine in a sense.
Wow.
It's really fine wood. It's
Wow. Even if this chair you made too?
this year also. This is this year is made from rosewood.
Wow.
It's a laminating system, as you can see. We've been practicing, but like I say, it's a practice. We're getting there. But it's all a laminating system. Taking thin pieces of wood together and then we stick it and we bend it with water.
Wow.
There's a way to do it with steam, but you would need to build a steamer.
Yeah, but you know what? You're working in a way you keep your overhead low, no? If you learn how to do all these things. Wow.
This right here is like similar to the baskets right here. You see the laundry baskets. When we make the laundry basket, there's a lot of cutout that's left behind, and then we make smaller baskets.
Wow, I like that.
And then this can be used on your counter for your vegetables. You could use it in a bathroom. You could get 1, 2, 3 and stack them on a shelf for storage.
Wow.
Unique baskets, all made from solid wood.
I like that. I wish this had an opening. I would definitely use this for my it's pretty, but I we like pretty things for the compost. But the only thing is I would have to open it. See how I can I just need the front open so everything can stack on top of it.
Well, like in that case, we would have to use a thicker wood because then the moisture and then the size of this wood, it wouldn't
I wouldn't have thought of that.
Pallets are probably the best thing to make in a compost.
Yeah, I've seen somebody else use pallets to just make a square. Basically, just take the squares and put them together. They make two sides. One side has the browns on it, the cut grass, and the other side has the vegetables scraps on it that you put in layers. But I really, really love the work that you're doing here, Jasson. Thank you so much.
And then
Did you make this too?
the basket?
This artsy piece here?
Yes, we did. This was done
Looks
through
almost like a wreath or something.
yeah, like another youth program we did that in the very beginning. And this is all made from small little pieces that were just, you know, being left behind. We decided to make an orchid basket, and it functioned as an orchid basket.
Wow, I like the recycling that you're using with the jars and stuff.
Well, yeah, we've been making
bouquets?
bouquets and stuff like that. Like this jar, for example, is this same jar here.
So that's interesting. You don't see most males doing bouquets.
No, I know, right? And
But I think it's very beautiful.
in the beginning, when I first started, I kind of wasn't sure what I felt in the beginning, but there was
But it's
something
good to see
there.
men express and create beautiful
Yeah,
beauty with it. Yeah.
making the candle holes, everything.
I love it. Stunning. You told me that you made bouquets when you're working on a piece. So
And these right here is just the weeds that are growing inside the bushy compound.
wow.
These are just all wild
I think
flowers
that's
and
fantastic.
wild vines that grows on a daily basis.
Wow.
This is from a neighbor. She gave me this.
Yeah, you have a nice eye.
Pretty much just the
Okay.
wild
Oh,
vines.
I love this chair. This chair is absolutely stunning. Absolutely
So-
stunning.
We try to recycle whatever we find. We try to create things with whatever exists. There's something else I don't know.
Yeah, this is phenomenal. This is phenomenal. Well, Jasson, we are definitely looking forward to supporting you more and seeing more of your great work with the youth. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So this is Body-Culinary here with Jasson Guy.
G.
G Guy here in Belize, Central America. Signing off.